গুড ইভিনিং গাইজ। আজকে আমি এইচএসের দ্য প্লে দ্য প্রপোজাল থেকে যে মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট এমসিকিউগুলো আছে সেই এমসিকিউগুলোর অ্যান্সার নিয়ে এসেছি। আশা করি তোমরা এই এমসিকিউগুলোর মধ্যেই তোমরা কমন পেয়ে যাবে। আর একটা কথা বলে রাখি, আমি দ্য প্রপোজাল থেকে যে 6 নম্বরের যে ব্রড কোশ্চেন হয় তোমাদের অ্যান্সার সমেত সেই ভিডিওটি আমি আপলোড করে দিয়েছি, তার লিঙ্ক আমি ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে দিয়ে দিয়েছি। যদি তোমরা দেখতে চাও তো দেখতে পারো। আর ইংলিশের ফুল সাজেশন আমি আপলোড করেছি, তার লিঙ্কও কিন্তু ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে দেওয়া আছে, দেখতে চাইলে দেখতে পারো।
তো সো গাইজ লেটস স্টার্ট। অ্যাট ফার্স্ট দেখে নাও যে প্রশ্নটা আছে, দ্য হোল প্লে টুক প্লেস অ্যাট চুবুকভস কান্ট্রি হাউস। চুবুকভ ইজ এ ল্যান্ড ওনার। দ্য এজ অফ নাতালিয়া ইজ 25 years. The character who put on evening dress was Lomov. Lomov came to Chubukov in evening dress. Chubukov first addressed Lomov as my dear fellow. Seeing Lomov in dress jacket, Chubukov thought he was going to attend a New Year's Eve party. Lomov is dressed in formal clothes because he is going to propose to Natalia. Hearing Lomov's proposal, Chubukov was overjoyed. Lomov wanted to talk to Natalia in order to seek her consent for marriage. Chubukov thinks that Lomov has come to borrow money. The person referred to as lovesick cat is Natalia. Lomov suffers from palpitations. Lomov is in his mid-30s. The age of Lomov is 35 years. While Lomov feels the pull in his left side, he jumps like a lunatic. While sleeping, Lomov feels a pull 20 times. Before proposing to Natalia, Lomov feels as if he were in an examination hall. To Lomov, his marriage with Natalia was his compulsion. Lomov feels a twitch in his right eyebrow. Natalia thinks that Lomov is going to a ball. Natalia is selling pears for drying. The day when Lomov meets Natalia, the weather is splendid. Before coming to Lomov, Natalia had been selling pears. The color of Lomov's glove was white. The two considerations that Lomov has regarding marriage are he is 35 and needs a stable life. In the proposal, the first argument involves land. According to Lomov, the free use of the land was given to the peasants by his aunt's grandmother. এরপর দেখো 29 নম্বরে, the oxen meadows were adjacent to birch woods. Lomov inherited the land from his late aunt and her husband. Natalia claims that they have oxen meadows for nearly 300 years. They are ours. Here they refers to oxen meadows. They only came to 5 deciation. 5 deciation means 13.5 acres. The malicious double-faced intriguer is Lomov. Oxen meadows cover the area of 5 deciation. In the heated argument over ownership, all three characters behave without maturity. Nastasia Mihailovna was Lomov's younger aunt. According to Lomov, his aunt's grandmother had made a grant of oxen meadows to Chubukov's grandfather. Nastasia Mihailovna allowed with an architect. Next, Lomov describes Chubukov's mother as hump-backed. Natalia tells Lomov that oxen meadows are worth perhaps 300 rubles. According to Lomov, Chubukov's grandfather was tried for embezzlement. Go, there is a merchant come for his goods. The merchant referred to here is Lomov. The person described as turnip ghost is Lomov. At the first meeting, Natalia offered Lomov lunch. He is dead, a doctor, a doctor. It is said by Natalia. Chubukov declares that Lomov is dead as he does not drink. The word pettifogger is used to describe Lomov. Chubukov is not only a landowner but also a helpless father of an unmarried daughter. He is dead with reference to the context which of the following statements is correct. Natalia blames her father for his death. Natalia becomes soft for Lomov on hearing about his proposal. Natalia learns about the proposal when Chubukov exclaims in anger, "How dare Lomov make a proposal?" Natalia lent Lomov their threshing machine. When Natalia hears that Lomov has come to propose marriage, she asks her father to call Lomov back quickly. Chubukov calls Lomov's father a guzzling gambler. The second argument was about hunting dogs. Lomov and Natalia's second argument took place almost immediately after they try to be nice to each other. Next, Oxen Meadows is between Barshoots and Burnt Marsh. The misfortune which Lomov mentions to Natalia is about his dog. Lomov purchased gas from Miranov. According to Lomov, Natalia's dog is overshot. Lomov paid for gas 125 rubles. The unit of currency as mentioned by Natalia is rubles. Who is said to be half dead according to Natalia? Lomov's dog. According to Chubukov, gas has two defects. According to Chubukov, gas is old and he is short in muzzle. Stuffed sausage is an expression used as terms of insult. On the day of Marushinsky, Hunt Squeezer worried a sheep. Squeezer cost 85 rubles. Natalia compares gas with a worn-out cab horse. Gas ran neck and neck with the Count's dog. Ivan's dog has gone lame. Squeezer is the son of Harness and Cecils. Natalia comments that Lomov should go on catching black beetles. Lomov was advised to catch black beetles by Natalia. The term old rat refers to Chubukov. Chubukov will shoot Lomov like a partridge. Why do not I put a bullet in my brain? Here Chubukov sounds frustrated and distraught as Lomov faints and shows no sign of life. Chubukov says, "Only leave me in peace," because he wants to see Natalia get married before another argument starts. The person who puts Lomov's hand into Natalia's hand is Chubukov. "Hurry up and get married." Chubukov says this because they may start a new fight. Lomov, Chubukov and Natalia approach marriage with a sense of practicality. All the characters in the play, the proposal, argue about pointless things. The proposal is accepted to all parties because it is a good working agreement. Lomov calls Chubukov a Jesuit because of his stubbornness. Chubukov's actions in the play reflects that he is a sensible father. Chubukov's action in the play reflects that he is a sensible father. At the end of the play, Chubukov offers Lomov and Natalia some champagne. Lomov and Natalia started their family life with a quarrel. At last, At last, the marriage proposal was accepted. The play ends with Chubukov's demand for champagne.